Ho Chi Minh Airport. We're on our way. I think we've got a ton of time, I'm not sure. This is it. Counter opens in 10 minutes. That's why the line is so short. And then we have 3 hours. 3 hours at the airport. Oh well. They would be. Vietnam needs to get their international travel together. Get here early. Takes hours. We got in at 4:30 in the morning. We're leaving now. And they didn't have but 2 people and hundreds of people waiting to get in. And at 7:30 they bring in most of the people, so you had been there forever. If they want to be the best, they're going to have to work on it. They don't even have any workers. Can you make this up? What service? No, you can't make it up. "45 minutes to get through custom. At 1 o'clock, they double the inspectors. So, but the passengers doubled or tripled, so I guess that doesn't really matter much. Wherever we are, it doesn't seem to really be huge, but I'm sure there's plenty more gates. Really. Check it out. That's a nice unloading dock right there. Big time. Oil tankers. Airplanes here, Singapore Airlines, Crown Plaza.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore at Changi Airport.
We've been here before. Terminal 1, gate C-17. I had no idea of how many terminals they have. Alright, we are in Terminal 1. I had no idea where Terminal 2 is. Say, this is huge. Look how far down that goes. I don't even know if you can see. And this is just Terminal 1 International. All right, we can go that way. We can go that way. We can go where we came from. We can go that way. You can't make this up. And I get to go shopping at the airport. Singapore on top of that, where nothing costs more. The most expensive place on earth. Here we are. Shopping. Get caramel candy. 22 American dollars. Really? Look at that. 22 American dollars. Okay, Singapore Airport. Look how far down that one goes. This place just goes on. We have been walking, and I'm not exaggerating, for an hour. And we're going to D35 in front of us. Up to 7-minute walk, they say, on the escalator. Let's go. You get on a real plane here. I mean, you know, in a lot of these airports, they take us out on a bus. Not here. Automatic vacuum cleaner. Cleans up. One big airport, 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 4 hours to go. And that's it.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry.
Hungry.